Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Kay, and today we're diving into a stationery haul that honestly brought me so much joy. I went to Walmart for a few essentials and then accidentally wandered into Target's pen aisle. And well, here we are. This is going to be a mix of budget-friendly finds and a few splurge-worthy pieces, so whether you're looking to restock your journaling kit or just love seeing fresh stationery, you're in the right place. Let's start with Walmart, because I have to say, they've really been stepping up their stationery game. First one is the transparent sticky notes, which is $8.12. These are probably one of the most underrated stationery items that's perfect if you love annotating books but don't want to mark the pages permanently. And I use this in my reading journals to layer thoughts over passages, and they also look beautiful over minimalist planner spreads. Plus, they work great with gel pens and fine liners if you let them dry for a second. The second one are the mini sticky notes that I have, which is $1.77. I use it on my notebook as a calendar, intention for that day, things I have to do, just to make the notebook much more appealing to me. It's actually a new thing I discovered from Walmart. The small size also makes them perfect for adding to collage-style pages without taking up too much room. The third one is a blank notebook. It's $2.68. This was such a steal. It's simple, lightweight, and gives you total freedom. Ruled lines, no prompts. I might use this for work meeting pages I can carry everywhere at the plant, or maybe to brainstorm ideas for my content. There's something liberating about having a notebook with no structure. You get to decide what it becomes. The next one are the Post-it sticky notes, which is $2.97. It's classic for a reason, and these are the standard 3x3 sizes, and honestly, I go through them way too quickly. I keep a pad in my nightstand, one at my desk, and one near the door for last-minute reminders. I actually started attaching it with the pocket notebook as well. Not the whole stack, but just a bit for a quick rip-away notes that I can give out or throw away after. The next one are the pocket notebooks for $1.97. I love notebooks that are small enough to live in your pocket or bag. And this one is perfect for a quick thoughts, quotes I hear during the day, or even grocery list. I usually dedicate these tiny notebooks to a theme, like one just for poetry lines, or one for affirmations, and then one for work or for anything. It's a cheaper version of a field note. It's actually really nice to write to, and the paper is surprisingly good for that price. It's a steal, honestly. The next one is the sticky note to-do pads, which I have in here for $2.72. This is a functional favorite. It has built-in structure with check boxes, well, circles, which is perfect for daily tasks and packing list. I also love sticking this inside my journal as a mini tracker for weekly goals. Next one is a 4-pack memo book, which is $1.12. Okay, 4-line mini notebooks just for over $1. I bought this before and they always come in handy. I keep one in my glove compartment, one in my purse, one at work, and one just kinda floats around. They're super low pressure, which makes them great for scribbles, lists, or even field notes if you're someone who journals on the go. Now let's go to the Target haul. And this is where things got a little more premium. I don't go into Target expecting to buy pens for $20 or more, but then again, I did not expect it either. The first one is the Zebra Vintage Clip Gel Pens, which is $6.99. And I love the design of this. The vintage clip feels nostalgic and the inks is smooth and bold. It's perfect for journaling or writing letters or anyone that appreciates how lightweight they are. They're practical but still aesthetically pleasing enough to keep out on my desk. I just gotta have them. Next one is the Staedtler 72 count double-ended fiber tip markers for $39.99. Okay, this was the splurge of the day, but it's 72 colors. You've got a fine tip on one side and a slightly thicker marker on the other side. I use these for headers, underlining in my reading journals, and creating mood color palettes for reflective journaling. If you're into color coding or bullet journaling, these are amazing. And honestly, just looking at all the colors lined up is serotonin. The next one is the U Brand's 10-count Soft Touch Catalina Felt Tip Pens for $21.99. They surprised me in a good way. The soft touch barrel feels luxurious and the ink flows beautifully. These aren't just cute, they write really well. I like using them for titles, affirmations, or anytime I want to bring more energy into a journal spread. The colors are vibrant but not neon, bright enough to pop without being overwhelming. So, what's the plan for all this? The memo books and to-do sticky notes will go into my daily routine setup, perfect for task tracking and habit building. The transparent sticky notes are going into my reading journal. I've already picked out 3 books to annotate them with. And the Zebra and U Brands pens, those are going in my pen organizer for daily writing. They're too good to save for special occasions. And those Staedtler markers are going to live on my creative desk. I use them for monthly themes, journal art, and sometimes even color therapy spreads when I need to reset. So that's everything for this haul. I'd love to know, do you have a favorite from this list? Or maybe a ride or die pen you think I should try next? Drop a comment below and let's swap stationery stories. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more journaling content, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next cozy update. Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep thinking out of the box.